I accidentally found this new channel that's doing extremely well. The crazy thing is that they started this channel a month ago and have racked up 53,000 subscribers with just 16 videos. Honestly, this is a sign that this channel will go viral within this year. But there is one problem here. If they keep making videos in this same way, the chances of getting monetization are very low. You may ask why? Well, if you watch one of their videos, you will understand it. It's because they are using steady images as the visual. Recently, YouTube has started to demonetize videos with only images, saying that those videos lack creativity. It's kind of true. Well, if you are watching this video, you are a very lucky person because I'm going to show you how to make videos for this viral niche that can actually be monetized. If you are serious about making money on YouTube with a profitable niche in the correct way, make sure to watch this video because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to make a 100% monetizable YouTube channel for this specific niche. You might wonder what this niche is about. Well, this is mainly about human nature and the mind. Don't try to understand it deeply because we are going to learn everything starting from video ideas to how to create videos. Before that, let me show you a sample video I created for this niche so that you can understand what you're about to learn today.
We like to believe we're the good guys, that we stand on the right side of morality, that we value justice, that we despise evil. And yet, when the Joker lights a pile of money on fire, when Walter White stares into the camera and declares, "I am the danger," when Tony Montana guns his way through a mansion filled with enemies, we don't turn away in disgust. We lean in, we watch, and somewhere deep inside, we root for them.
Okay, the first important thing you need is several video ideas. Now, with the method I'm going to show you, you can make at least 20 videos a month, only working 2 hours a day for 20 days. So let's generate some video ideas. After analyzing this niche and studying several channels related to this category, I came up with this unique prompt that is specifically designed to generate ideas for this niche. You can get this prompt from the link in the description. You can use either ChatGPT or DeepSeek AI, it's up to you. As you can see here, we have 20 video ideas. So if you take a closer look, you can see that these video ideas are related to human nature and the mind, and all of them are relatable real-life stories about a person or a group. Now for the next process, which is creating a video script, we need to make this script sound like it is telling a real-life story and then discuss the specific human nature characteristics related to that story. For that, I have created this unique prompt. All you need to do is copy this prompt and change the topic of the video. Just like this, you will be able to generate a unique script for this video. The topic I selected was, "Why do we root for the villain? The strange psychology of anti-heroes." I found this topic very interesting. Now, you can read this script and change it if you want, or you can directly use it. The next step is to generate AI voiceovers for this video. I'm going to use 11 Labs for this process. You can find the link in the description. Once you sign up for your 11 Labs account, you need to find a good voice first. You can go to this voice library and check the voice you need. I would prefer to have a voice with a deep tone, but not too deep. A calm and deep voice would be good. You can search those keywords in the search bar and select a better voice. The name of the voice I selected is Professor Bill. You just need to copy the script to this and generate voiceovers. Then you can download all the voice files to one folder. Now, let's move on to the next important step, which is creating visuals. I'm going to mix both stock videos and AI videos for this process. The first thing you must do is read the whole script and understand which parts are suitable for stock videos and which parts are suitable for AI videos. Once you understand the whole script, you can find suitable stock video footages from the Pexels website and download those. Now for the AI video creation process, I'm going to use this new AI tool called Yeah Video AI. Well, this is a very interesting tool. Through this AI tool, you can access various AI video models like Kling, Veo2, Pika, Pixaverse, and more. Basically, you don't need to pay hundreds of dollars to access these models separately. With this AI, you can access all of those models in one place. So I'm going to show you how to generate videos for our script using this AI. Before that, let's see how this tool works. With these models, you can convert text into video or images into videos. First, you need to select a good model. I'm going to try these several AI models, and then we can compare which model is the best. As you can see here, some of these models cost like 4 credits to make videos. Some cost around 20 credits. I think it's based on the quality of the model. However, let's try these models. I'm going to try this Kling AI model first. I made a detailed prompt using ChatGPT for one of the scenes. I will show you how to do that later. Once you enter the prompt, click this Create button to generate the video. While this video is generating, I'm going to use the same prompt with other models. Let's try VO2 model and Pika model as well. Looks like all 3 videos are completed. Remember, I used the same prompt for every model. Let's check one by one. This looks okay, but the head movement is not that good. Wow, this is perfect. I mean, it's 99% realistic. Well, this is also good, but I think we need a more detailed prompt for this model. Final conclusion is VO2 and Kling AI model is best, but VO2 model costs 20 credits per video. Therefore, let's stick with Kling AI model. As I mentioned earlier, I used ChatGPT to generate these prompts for our script. What I did was, I have given the instructions to ChatGPT to generate the necessary images for each scene. After you give these instructions, all you need to do is explain the scene, and ChatGPT will give you detailed prompts that you can use to generate images or videos. Then you can go back to the Video AI and select a suitable video model, and make sure to set the aspect ratio as 16:9 because these videos are for YouTube long videos, and paste the prompt here. Just like this, you can generate AI videos easily for your video script. Another way to make videos with consistent characters is by using this image to video converter. These are some images that I created for our video script. I'm going to convert these images to videos using this AI tool. Let's select this image to video feature from this. Just like before, you can select a suitable AI model for this. Then, only thing that is different is you have to upload the image to this. Then, you can explain what sort of video you want to convert this image to and click the create button. Just like this, you can either create images and convert them into video, or you can directly make videos. It's up to you. You can get this AI tool through the link in the description. Now let's move on to the video editing process. I'm going to use CapCut for that. If you have any other video editing tool, you can use it as well. Once you open your project, make sure to select this 16 by ratio as the size of the video. Then, you need to import all the voiceovers and video clips to this. Let's start with adding voiceovers to the timeline. After that, all you need to do is add the video clips to the suitable places. It's not that complicated. Now, I have added all the video clips to the timeline. As you can see here, I have mixed the visual with stock videos and AI videos. You can do the same. Now, let's add some transitions between these clips. Go to the transitions from the top and add these transitions to the suitable places. It's not a complicated process. Now, I'm going to add this cool mask effect to all of these videos. This process is optional. I'm just trying to make this video look cool. Select these video clips and go to this mask feature from this menu. Now, you need to select this rectangular option. Now, you can adjust the size of this rectangle. I'm just going to make it a little but bigger to fit the screen. And you can increase this roundness bar and round the corners of this video. This looks really cool and unique. You can do this for all the clips. Now go to the effects and add the black noise effect to the timeline and expand it so that this effect is applicable for the whole video. Now only this effect, but you can add any of the suitable effects for your video. Now let's add captions. Go to text from this top menu and select this auto caption feature. With this feature, you can automatically generate the captions. It will only take several seconds. Now let's make these captions more visible by adding some effects. You can change the size of the caption using the menu, and I'm going to change the font as well. Now if you scroll down, you can add some text effects. I'm going to go with this yellow color effect with the black outline. After that, go to this animation and select this caption animation option. Now you can add some cool caption animations to these subtitles. Finally, you need to add the background music to the timeline and adjust the voice, and that's all. Here's the final video.
We like to believe we're the good guys, that we stand on the right side of morality, that we value justice, that we despise evil. And yet, when the Joker lights a pile of money on fire, when Walter White stares into the camera and declares, "I am the danger," when Tony Montana guns his way through a mansion filled with enemies, we don't turn away in disgust. We lean in, we watch, and, somewhere deep inside, we root for them. But why? Why do we idolize the very figures we should fear? What is it about these villains, these broken, dangerous, even monstrous people, that makes them feel so relatable? It starts with a whisper in the back of your mind. What if I didn't have to follow the rules? Society teaches us to be obedient, to be polite, to work hard, follow the path, suppress our rage, our desires, our chaos. And yet the anti-hero does exactly what we can't. They take what they want, they refuse to bow, they burn the system down, while we sit quietly in our cubicles, biting our tongues.
Now, this is how you create a monetizable video for this viral niche. I hope you learned some valuable information from this video. If you can upload 20 videos within the next 30 days, I'm sure you will become a successful YouTuber. I wish you the best of luck. I will see you in the next video.